Under skies of violet, blue and gold, unicorns are laughing bright and bold.
Ricochet, a bridge of gentle fire. Candy clouds are drifting ever higher. On the road of crystal, soft and white, enchanted little rabbits dance in light.
Close your shining starlit eyes. Let the rainbow hush your cries. Sleep while the unicorns walk alone through the twilight, far from home, over rainbows blazing bright and warm, guarding every child through every storm. Dream while the rabbits charm the moon, whisper spells in sugar tune. Under skies of cotton,
Unicorn stone,
unicorns walk alone.
golden stone.
Unicorns walk alone. In the grass where stardust softly glows, every hop of bunnies gently sows. Fields of flowers blooming as they play, painting pastel armor for the day.
Tiny hooves of sparkle, silver bright. Hoofbeats making melodies of light. Glitter shields around the sleeping town, keeping all the nightmares safely down.
Close your fears and let them go. In the colors of the glow. Sleep while the unicorns walk alone through the twilight, far from home, over rainbows roaring bright and white, guarding every dream on every side. Dream while the rabbits charm the moon, sing a glowing candy rune. Under skies of crystal,
Golden stone,
unicorns walk alone.
golden stone.
Unicorns walk alone. When the last hue falls from the sky,